right.
Our demands are just and right.
Just and right. Just and right.
हमारी एकता जिंदाबाद.
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद.
Retirees unity जिंदाबाद.
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद.
Retirees unity long live.
Long live. Long live.
Retirees unity जिंदाबाद.
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद.
AIBPARC march on.
March on. March on.
जंतर मंतर march on.
March on. March on.
धरना प्रोग्राम जिंदाबाद.
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद.
धरना प्रोग्राम जिंदाबाद.
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद.
हमारी एकता जिंदाबाद.
जिंदाबाद.
नमस्कार साथियों, मैं मनोज स्वराजी स्वागत करता हूं आपका मिनी संसद के मंच पे। जंतर मंतर एक बार फिर आंदोलन का गवाह बना है, लेकिन इस बार ये लोग हैं जो पूरी बैंकिंग व्यवस्था को संभालते थे। ये वो लोग हैं, रिटायर्ड लोग हैं, जिन्होंने अपना पूरा जीवन बैंकिंग के लिए दे दिया, देश की बैंकिंग व्यवस्था को दे दिया। लेकिन आज ये धरना प्रदर्शन पर आ गए हैं क्योंकि इनको इनका हक नहीं मिल रहा है। काफ़ी परेशान है, देश के सुदूर हिस्सों से आए हैं, हर जगह से लोग आए हैं, हर बैंक से लोग आए हैं, रिटायर्ड पेंशन भोगी लोग हैं और बहुत ही दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है इनको। क्या क्या इनकी समस्याएं हैं, आइए इन्हीं से पूछते हैं। सर, आपका नाम क्या है?
डॉक्टर J.D. शर्मा। आई एम वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ऑल इंडिया बैंक पेंशन रिटायरीज कॉन्फेडरेशन।
सर, ये जो आपने जंतर मंतर पर आप प्रदर्शन किया है, तो व्हाट आर योर डिमांड्स?
हमारी सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट डिमांड है कि हमको पेंशन अपडेशन चाहिए। जो हमारे पेंशन रेगुलेशन है उसमें अपडेशन का प्रोविज़न है। गवर्नमेंट, बैंक्स, IBA इसको इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है, जबकि पैसा बैलेंस शीट से नहीं पे होता है। हमारा एक पेंशन फंड है जिसमें करीब 3.25 लाख करोड़ फंड है और उसकी इंटरेस्ट इनकम हमारी पेंशन पेमेंट से ज़्यादा है हर महीने। उसके बावजूद भी वो कह रहे हैं कि नहीं,
आप ही का पैसा और आप ही को नहीं दिया,
हम ही को नहीं दिया जा रहा है। हमारा पेंशन फंड है, हम ट्रस्ट है, वो बैंक का पैसा नहीं है, ट्रस्ट में पैसा है। उसमें से जितना इंटरेस्ट आता है उससे कम पेंशन डिसबर्समेंट होती है। हम कहते हैं कि हमारा अपडेशन करो। पेंशन जब सैलरी रिवीजन होता है तो पेंशन भी रिवीजन होती है, गवर्नमेंट में भी होती है। रिजर्व
कितने सालों से पेंशन रिवाइज नहीं हुई है?
1992 से नहीं हुई है। आप सोचिए 30 साल हो गए, 30 साल से कोई पेंशन रिवीजन नहीं हुआ है। 87 में इन्होंने किया था, जब
महंगाई तो 10 गुना से भी ज़्यादा बढ़ चुकी है इस दरमियान, और पेंशन वही है।
पेंशन वही है और तनख्वाहें बढ़ती रहती हैं, पेंशन नहीं बढ़ती। जबकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है जजमेंट में कि सैलरी रिवीजन एंड पेंशन रिवीजन आर इनसेपरेबल, इन दोनों को अलग अलग नहीं किया जा सकता। पर IBA, इंडियन बैंक्स एसोसिएशन और गवर्नमेंट मिलके कहते हैं कि नहीं, हम नहीं करेंगे, पैसे की तंगी है। जबकि रेगुलेशन स्टैट्यूटरी रेगुलेशन होते हैं, ये पार्लियामेंट में भी जाते हैं हमारे रेगुलेशन, जब बनते हैं गजट में भी पब्लिश होते हैं। ये बैंक की स्टैट्यूटरी लायबिलिटी है कि पेंशन फंड को हेल्दी रखें और उसके हिसाब से जो रेगुलेशन बने उनके हिसाब से पेमेंट करें पेंशन। वो नहीं कर रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से।
दिस इज सच काइंड ऑफ चीटिंग विद द एक्स एम्प्लॉयज, आई थिंक। सो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से?
I like to say that the pensioners from different parts of the country have assembled at Jantar Mantar today to express their anguish and to express their agony. You will be surprised that the pensioners' basic pay right from the date of initiation remains frozen. So people who are of old age, who have given their yesterdays for the service of the nation and the society, are languishing in the yesteryears of their life. We want that pension updation should take place. The provision is clearly written in Bank Employees Pension Regulation, but its implementation is being delayed and denied on one plea of other. We want immediate implementation of pension updation. Number 2, you will be surprised to know that the bank pensioners, for securing a minimum medical insurance, has to spend thousands of rupees from his pocket. A man will have to pay equivalent to 2 months pension or 2.5 months pension to get the medical benefit. It is surprising that the people who are serving, government is paying for them. The chairman retired, the executive director retired, the CGMs of State Bank of India retired. Their pension is being paid by respective employers, but it is the poor pensioners who have been thrown open to the market economy of medical insurance. We are thoroughly against it. You will be surprised. Number 3 demand, our people who retired prior to November 2002, their basic pay is very poor. They are not getting 100% dearness neutralization. You will be surprised when we see an old man, we are hesitant. we are shameful to ask them how much pension you get, because older you are, more deprived you are. Number 4, certain peculiar things are happening. The people who are retiring from service, their special allowance is attracting dearness allowance, but that is not being taken into cognizance for the purpose of superannuation benefit. Many of our younger people are suffering like anything. We want its redressal. And the most important thing is that we are the voice of the retirees. Our membership is more than 1 lakh throughout the country. We have our unit in each and every bank. But how is it that we are not giving formal consultative status? We go to the government, we go to IBA, they talk to us, but they whisper in our ears, mind it friend, it is not a formal talk, it is an informal talk. But we are the voice of the retirees. We like to know that the agony of the retirees is to be heard from the organization of retirees. These are the principal demands for which people from all over the country have gathered here. Please give us a focus. Please give us a focus that the elder citizens are restless. Elder citizens are suffering from agony. They have their minimum aspiration, and that is got to be fulfilled. Thank you.
And pension scheme in banking industry is in line with the central government pension scheme and also Reserve Bank pension scheme. Reserve Bank pension retirees are given the updation. Central bank pensioners are getting updation whenever the pay commissions are introduced. Though ours is very clearly mandated in the pension regulation, it is in line with both these pension schemes. Still, our updation is not given.
You are saying some kind of discrimination is there.
Serious discrimination is taking place. Prior to November 2002, people are not getting 100% DA neutralization. As a result, their basic pay.
It's a management problem or a government problem?
I am telling you, it is a problem which is to be sorted out at IBA level first. And then the proposal is to be forwarded to DOFS, Department of Financial Affairs. The primary initiative is to be taken by Indian Banks Association, because it was a faulty interpretation of the bipartite settlement. It is very clearly written that no such denial should be there, but they are denying it, particularly to a segment of retirees whose age is 75 years, whose age is 80 years. They are the real sufferers.
The officers of the management is appointed by the government or by the body?
I am telling you, the chairman of every bank and the executive director of every bank, they are government appointees, but they are not outside the system. They are general managers of other banks. Then by way of promotion from different banks, they are appointed to the post of government, in post of managing director and ED. But understand, their salary structure is determined by the salary structure of government officials.
So you are saying that the people who are appointing on the officer rank, they are the agent of the government, not the people?
I will not say like that. The understanding, our understanding is clear. IBA is a body comprising of the managing director of different banks. 10 years back, 20 years back, we saw that the people who are the officials of IBA,
They are not looking towards
they are
you.
definitely not sympathetic to us. And the reason is that there was a time when all these chairmen, they thought that I am the head of the family. I have some responsibility towards my family members. But today, the day they have become government appointees and their salary structure and their benefits are determined by the salary of the government bureaucrats, they are thinking, they are mentally isolating themselves from the community of bankers. They are not giving as much attention as we demand it to be. Definitely, it is a kind of discriminating attitude against which we protest.